Alright guys, I've been meaning to do this video for almost a month now. So that's how busy I've been with radios and, just my regular full-time job as well. But it was my honor to actually do this video because these mounts are just one of a kind. You're not going to see better quality anywhere else. Yeah, so this is Scott. I did a video a little while back. He had sent me in some CB radio mounts. You can see I got a few more here. I only put one screw through there, but man, let me tell you, these things are great. That's a Cobra. This is an LTD 29 LTD regular with the side. Anyway, you can see that he's been updating. He's been taking feedback from various people, and he's been adjusting his mounts and basically 3D printing these accordingly to fit a larger collection of radios, and including this beauty right here. This is something that you're not going to really see anywhere else. And he definitely took the time. So for those who don't know Scott, he's a machinist, so everything is, done to perfection. So, yeah, anyway, I hate to keep repeating myself. I don't know if I said it, but I grabbed the largest, one of the largest mobiles that I have, and that's this 138 XLR, and you can see how perfect this fits in here. And you can get your, it's obviously customized for Pulsar CB, but he can write whatever, like your call sign or your numbers or whatever you want to an extent. But yeah, after I do go through all of these, I'll show you guys how this will adapt to almost any radio. Between all these mounts that's available and all these pretty nice colors, you should be able to find something that fits your radio. So here's a very short list of some of the radios. It's not limited to these, but including these. The DX959, the Quad 5 Plus, the 148F, the President George, both the FCC and the 2, the President Washington, obviously the Mobile Washington, the PC122XL, McKinley, and many, many more. They come in colors, so yeah, black, light gray, olive, fire engine red, marsala. You got a color called burnt titanium, and then you have this color changing blue and purple, which is this one here, which is pretty cool. Flops. It'll flop from blue to purple or purple to blue depending on the light. The red, which is probably my favorite. That's why this was, made in this color. But even this mount here itself has been through a couple of different prototyping stages. And this is the second stage, and there's a third, more updated stage to it. So, yeah, I mean, you can't ask for anything more than somebody who just takes the feedback from various people and applies it to the product that he's making. So that's a plus, I can tell you that. But yeah, so he has an Etsy store. I will include his contact information in the video description. He has an Etsy store. It's DX 3D Printing, Scott, and that's over at Etsy. I'll also include his email in case you guys want to email him. But all the pricing, the availability of stuff, I think everything is made to order. He does offer, at the time of this video anyway, free shipping to the continental United States only. So, yeah, that's super cool, right? You got the DX on the side here. This one has Cobra on the side. But you can see he's accommodated this to fit pretty much any radio, so the side mic here is not an issue. And I originally had this Lincoln on that mount there, but I changed it up because I wanted you guys to see how how big of a mount this thing is capable, excuse me, how big of a radio this mount is capable of handling. And even bigger, honestly. I'll show you guys in a minute how, you can adapt this to virtually any radio. But yeah, that's what I have so far. And I'm happy to tell you that you guys won't find, I've actually had a couple of mounts, and these are by far the better of the mounts that I've seen anyway and have used. So yeah, if you're looking for something to turn into a base, man, this is the way to go. So yeah. All right, let me get this 138 off of here, and we can see how this whole mechanism is here on how you mount this radio to this mount. All right, stand by. All right, so you can adjust this pretty damn wide if you really want to, actually beyond what, at least in my imagination, you would want to mount in here. But so you have these, I'm going to call these like knobs. They're threaded knobs, or not really thumb screws, but yeah, they're threaded knobs. On the back side, you're going to see that it's slotted, so you don't have to hold this side. These carriage bolts that go through fit the slot perfectly. So all you have to do is just loosen this, and you have, I mean, you can adjust this all the way out to here. Not that I would recommend that, nor do I think anybody would need anything that wide, but the adjustability is there. Again, I mean, chances are you're not gonna want that. But this just, I mean, once again, I don't think you'd want anything that small. But if for some reason somebody has a radio that's that small, it'll go that small. So yeah, but a wide range of widths, virtually any length. I mean, this 138 XLR is a very large mobile radio, and it fits in there perfectly. So again, you have all these adjustments here for the side here, the threaded part in the radio. And that's basically it as far as, I mean, it's very versatile. It doesn't get better than that. But, man, I suggest you guys go out and you get one of these in your favorite color. I got one in red with, obviously, the company saying, whatever, the company logo written on here. Again, he can put basically anything you want to an extent. Obviously, there's only so much space for lettering, but your call sign, your handle, whatever you want, he can do for you. And then it's backlit. So yeah, I suggest you go over to his Etsy store. Again, that's DX3D Printing on Etsy. His name's Scott, and again, I will leave his contact information and even a link to his store in the description. So if you guys want one of these, go to his Etsy store, buy one. If you like it, leave him a nice comment and a good review. It'll go a long way for him. All right, guys, thanks for watching.